24.
24.
24.
Verabredung.
Appointment.
Appointment.
Hast du den Bus verpasst?
Did you miss the bus?
Did you miss the bus?
Ich habe eine halbe Stunde auf dich gewartet.
I waited for you for half an hour.
I waited for you for half an hour.
Hast du kein Handy bei dir?
Do you have a mobile with you?
Don't you have a mobile phone with you?
Sei das nächste Mal pünktlich.
Be punctual next time.
Be punctual next time.
Nimm das nächste Mal ein Taxi.
Take a taxi next time.
Take a taxi next time.
Nimm das nächste Mal einen Regenschirm mit.
Take an umbrella with you next time.
Take an umbrella with you next time.
Morgen habe ich frei.
I have the day off tomorrow.
I have the day off tomorrow.
Wollen wir uns morgen treffen?
Shall we meet tomorrow?
Shall we meet tomorrow?
Tut mir leid. Morgen geht es bei mir nicht.
I'm sorry. I can't make it tomorrow.
I'm sorry. I can't make it tomorrow.
Hast du dieses Wochenende schon etwas vor?
Do you already have plans for this weekend?
Do you already have plans for this weekend?
Oder bist du schon verabredet?
Or do you already have an appointment?
Or do you already have an appointment?
Ich schlage vor, wir treffen uns am Wochenende.
I suggest that we meet on the weekend.
I suggest that we meet on the weekend.
Wollen wir Picknick machen?
Shall we have a picnic?
Shall we have a picnic?
Wollen wir an den Strand fahren?
Shall we go to the beach?
Shall we go to the beach?
Wollen wir in die Berge fahren?
Shall we go to the mountains?
Shall we go to the mountains?
Ich hole dich vom Büro ab.
I will pick you up at the office.
I will pick you up at the office.
Ich hole dich von zu Hause ab.
I will pick you up at home.
I will pick you up at home.
Ich hole dich an der Bushaltestelle ab.
I will pick you up at the bus stop.
I will pick you up at the bus stop.